can't have that in the background. Let's try. Very good. Focus. Hello. Maybe I shouldn't have wore a white shirt. Let's change my shirt. See? Much better. Now I stand out a bit. Here you go. So today, I'm going to be painting and inking this drawing. I hope that the camera's picking it up okay. Go on. Focus on it. There we go. And I'm going to take you through my process. I've tried to make it a bit bolder on the pencil here, so it actually comes up on camera. But yeah, I'm just going to take you through my process and see what happens. I'm probably just going to talk a load of bullshit like I did last time, but this time I'm showing my face. But let's get to it. Look at the bubble. This is like my favourite part of the painting. Mm. Just like that. Let's do this better. Just wanted to show you that bit. I'm practically done now. I'll then swap out the camera angles and I'm going to show you what I've done. Here we go, if I can find the... Okay. That was no deal. Let's get started. So as you can see, I did do a little bit more. I also went and got Starbucks. Oh shit. Oh no. Oh shit. Part of the painting now. Let's go, keep going. Oh. Hey, so I had a little bit of an issue with my camera and I had to keep going because otherwise the painting wouldn't work, so I did do these little bits off camera, and by little bits I mean like I practically finished it. I just need to do the highlights in the face, but here's where we are at currently. I will do like a little show and tell kind of thing you may do afterwards, but I mean otherwise I don't think it's turned out that bad. I'm trying to develop the style where I keep on doing layers on layers on layers on layers, and then have like the highlights in the middle, kind of like how I've done it here. I don't know, let me know what you think about it. Oh my god, I might need to redo that. Hey! So, it's been a little while. Yeah, been a little while. I just wanted to touch in and have a little ending to the video and show the painting a bit. I corrected some of the lighting, my hair's grown, I shaved and then it regrew. It's been a long time. I'll put exactly how long. But I've got the painting here. I hope you enjoyed the process that I did. Most of it's accidental, like the coffee spill. At least it works with my style. Like, I think that's the best thing you can do. That's one thing that I think is much better than digital. You can never do these like fun little accidents and stuff like that. So I don't know, maybe in time we'll be able to do that with new technology and stuff like that. But I just wanted to show you the painting. The camera's had a bit of trouble focusing on stuff, so I'll try and show off the best bits. But I mean, ultimately, I don't think it's a bad painting. I've got all the focus where I want it to be, in the eyes and the mouth here, kind of in the middle. I think that's worked out. I think that's worked out pretty well. I've got enough texture going on here. My camera is absolutely shitting itself. We'll see if any of this is usable, shall we? I'll insert like a higher quality photo of this. Might be nice. It's good that my camera recognises that it's an actual face. That's pretty cool. You know what I could do? I know what I'm gonna do. That's faster. I really need to start writing a script.